Hello. I'm praying there will be no parties tonight where I'm staying.
Maybe they party themselves out.
Immediately books room and starts.
They just got there. It was Wednesday. They just got there. It's not until the weekend.
Oh, and then it was so funny. They were so loud. And of course, I'm like, okay, it's 10. They're still loud. And I fell asleep. Right. And then the next thing I know, there's like the party in the hallway. I'm like, that's not even the suite.
It's parents on wild.
That's right.
It's the librarian.
Oh, yeah. And finally at 2 a.m., I was just like, okay, I'm gonna have to call security.
Yeah.
And security knocks on the door. And when security knocks on the door, they're like, oh, we're sorry. You all knew you were too loud, waking up everybody on the floor. All right. So we are here on Jordan Robbins. Court is calling 2022 CR 11724, State of Texas versus Jordan Luke Robbins. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Second for the state.
Defense?
Amy Owen and Sergio Ibarra for the defense.
All right. And Mr. Robbins, if you can unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
All right. Are you Mr. Robbins?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The defendant is by Zoom. Any objection from the state? Any objection?
No
the-
objection, Your Honor.
Defense, any objection to
No.
your client appearing by Zoom?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Robbins, do you have any objections to appearing by Zoom?
No.
All right, so we're here on a defendant's motion for continuance to move the trial date. So the record can be clear. This is a date defense counsels chose, but it appears that they forgot something in choosing that date. And what did you all forget?
Well, Judge, I was here that day and Sergio was announcing in trial on the 144th. And when I got back to the office and I realized the date was June 4th, I was talking about it and he was like June 4th. And that is actually Sergio's wife's due date. Subsequently to that, she found out she will be being induced the 31st. And so we filed this motion for continuance and reached out to the state, to Allie Jackson about it. And they told me that they are not opposed to it. And we were just requesting 60 days from June 4th to try this case, Judge.
And I'm assuming if he's not there, his marriage may be over.
Maybe.
And you won't be invited
I
to
think my
anything.
life might
Yeah.
be over. So yeah, I guess
Yeah.
your marriage counts too. That-
Exactly.
All right, state, do you have any objection?
No objection, Judge. No.
All right, then that will be granted. And Ms. Ferguson, if you'll confer with them on a new date for a jury trial, and let's make sure that nobody else is due.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank
We'll
you,
be sure
Judge.
to do that, Judge.
Yeah.
All right,
Thank you, Your
so
Honor. Maybe
is your
be
client,
excused.
yes, and is your client, is he okay to be excused and you all can give him the date?
Yes,
Absolutely.
ma'am.
All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for Zoom.
Yes, ma'am. I
right.
appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Thanks,
No.
Judge.
And Norma, just let me know what the date will be.
Sergio.
Okay, hi, sure,
No luck with Mr. Murphy, Judge. Yeah, it's going to
Okay.
come back at 1:30.
sure. So have you had contact with him? Did he call you back or no?
No, this morning, Judge, only.
Okay. All right, court is going to call 2023 CR 11123, State of Texas versus Darius Murphy, and for the state, for the defense.
Christine McDonald substituting for Mr. Renee Munoz.
All right, Mr. Murphy was due in court at 9 a.m. Counsel, you informed the court that he stated he was in the hospital,
Yes, Your Honor.
and the court asked for you to come back at 1:30 and for him to either provide you with medical documentation or to appear. And it appears that your client is not present and it's currently 1:38 p.m. Have you had any contact with him since then?
No, Your Honor, and I don't have documentation. I'm asking if this court would allow us to supplement documentation when we get a hold of our client, Judge.
All right. Then what I will do, state, are you requesting a bond forfeiture?
Yes.
All right, and to the clerks, can you tell me on Murphy, is this a commercial bond or is it a PR bond?
It's a commercial bond.
All right, so the court is going to grant the bond forfeiture, remand your client without bond. If you're able to get documentation to the court that your client is in the hospital, or if he appears, then the court will reconsider.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
May
Thank
we
you for coming
excuse?
back. Yes, you may. Okay.
That's the one I do. Thank you. I appreciate it.
And this one is a bond forfeiture. Thank you. All right, Alicio, why do I have Alicio Perez Rodriguez?
Judge.
All right, they're bringing him up. All right.
Was pending a competency evaluation.
Oh, he has a pending competency?
Yes, they just, I think they just filed a report,
We just filed it today. Usually it's about 30.
So he's supposed to be for an informal inquiry on March.
Right.
So was it filed in March?
It was filed.
Okay. We have a competency, yes.
Yep, I just. Probation stance,
Okay,
whenever you're ready.
yes, I'm ready.
Oh. So it appears that, he just will not remain compliant with his medications.
Okay,
And at this point, probation has like exhausted all of our efforts in trying to see what we can do.
well, if they,
Tried-
you
so I
tried,
guess we'll see. I mean, we've tried inpatient a couple of times and, the mental health evaluation, we tried several things, Judge. So I guess we can wait until.
all right, Norma, do you see, can you see if Renee Munoz or somebody,
Renee's actually out.
okay, so of course you'll stay on the case, but maybe if we can have them involved a little bit, they'll be able to give us some ideas of potentially what we can do with this. Because what's going to end up happening if he's declared incompetent, he's going to go to wait in the jail for the transfer to state hospital. He's going to have to take his medication. If he doesn't take it, they're going to have a hearing to force him to take his medication. And then once he's competent, they're going to bring him back to Bexar County. And if he stops taking his medication,
we get back at the same.
we'll be
place.
back here. Yes. All right, so this is what we'll do. Norma, you don't have to bring Mr. Rodriguez over, but let's recall this for next week so we can figure out where we're going from here. And it can be a phantom date. When I get back, 2 weeks, I'm sorry. And counsel, what's good on your schedule for 2 weeks?
Oh, I'm always around.
Okay,
He was in state hospital for, I wanna say some sort of upwards like 3 years.
mhm.
Then he came out, regained competency and then was on his meds and then stopped taking them.
Wow. Okay,
The 24th.
To give you a little bit.
Hmm.
First go.
You can do the 28th.
28th, fine.
okay. All right, so we'll come back on May 28th. All right, and can you make sure that Renee Munoz is present? All right, then,
Maybe excuse me.
yes,
Thank you. Have a good rest of the day.
thank you, you too. Deputy Laura,
Message.
is Celio Perez Rodriguez? He can go back.
Yeah.
Counsel, do you want to talk to your client?
Yeah.
Oh, he's right here.
Okay.
Oh, just give me a second. I'll step out in the hallway.
You can watch them in still and still like it's a burger.
What about that? Or no, you're asking on the paper. That's positive, I trust it. The markers, so once I'll see if it's. Grab some water. That's the number of it's.
It's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, Norma, what date was Robin's? Okay. Hmm. No, I do not.
Really? This one is. It's. Going side by
Yes.
side. I actually drove it so long that up, so when I felt like, I think I couldn't have it all. It was definitely different. But it's still good. Yeah. It's.
Yeah.
Whole Foods.
Yes, yes.
All right, thank you.
I was like, I am very
That's
impressed.
pretty sweet,
I am
pretty sweet.
very impressed. No, okay, so it wasn't that sweet, but it was sweet, and I was like. this is what-
That one, I've not had that. Previous other one.
Yeah, I've never seen that brand. I've got another brand to try.
Yeah. They're.
Our one is there at HEB, but actually, it's the one down here.
Found her. She's been lost.
Oh, okay.
in-
Yeah.
I just have them pull the file and we'll take it up.
Okay, thank you. Julexis Brown.
All right, are you already on Delina Glass?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if you'll come forward.
Judge, this is a compliance hearing.
Yes. And so I know that probation has been receiving emails, but probation is saying that there are no issues. Is that correct?
Judge, yes, so, what prompted today's visit was a supplemental report was submitted to the court in regards to various emails and telephone calls, that the officer was receiving, indicating some non-compliance with some terms of probation for Ms. Glass. And I know that the clerks here in our office, in the back office, has received several phone calls as well. So as far as her probation is concerned, her probation officer indicates she's in full compliance. She reports when she's supposed to report. Her UAs have been fine. She's completed some of her classes. She's making her payments on time. There's not any issues. She's just been really compliant at this point. But I know that, Judge, you kind of wanted to talk to her about what's been going on and the claims.
All right. So, there were emails saying that you were around inappropriate people on TikTok or whatever. But what I can tell you is that the letters I've received from people in the community saying you're great. So I go on facts. People can start rumors, but for me, it's, yeah, but what do the facts say? And that is why I wanted to have this hearing so that you would know. I don't go on rumors. It's show me the facts. That's
Okay.
why I wanted to know, is there any truth to these allegations? And probation is telling me there's nothing there. So I wanted to let you know in case you were concerned
Very concerned.
that I was going to do something. I think your attorney will tell you, anytime I have a report about people on probation, normally, unless it's somebody who maybe has picked up a violent offense, I always set it for a hearing so we can have a conversation about it.
Yes, ma'am.
But I did receive some beautiful letters and they're saying that you're doing excellent and probation is saying you're doing excellent on probation.
Just trying to change. I run a search and rescue looking for missing persons. That's my nonprofit.
Mhm.
And we were down in Corpus Christi helping a family with permission of my probation officer. He gave me passes. And people were donating to keep me down there. And it just kind of turned into a cancel culture kind of thing.
Mhm.
Where they were just trying to get me in trouble. I even have an email in my bag from the Corpus Christi Police Department stating that I wasn't doing anything wrong.
Yeah.
They tried to get me removed.
Well, again, what I can tell you is the emails and letters that I've received have been that you're doing great things.
At the risk of sounding juvenile, Judge, I've looked through her paperwork and Facebook and so forth. She's basically being cyber stalked. There's some people trying to, for lack of a better word, cancel her, and they're making her life terrible
Yeah.
at every moment.
Because I will tell you, one of the letters, that's why I wanted to have this hearing too, because one of the letters that probation received that was brought to my attention was saying that there were screaming matches, carrying knives. And I was saying, you know what? We're going to bring her in here because I have letters that saying she's doing great things. Probation is saying she's doing great things. And the last thing I want is for someone who's on probation, who's doing great things, to throw their hands up because they think, oh my gosh, what is the judge going to think? Is the judge going to file a motion to revoke? You know,
Yes, ma'am.
but I always like for people to come in because they're, you know, one of the letters, she's carrying guns. And I said, is there any proof? And Ms. Abrams will tell you.
I don't carry a weapon.
Oh, no. Ms. Abrams will tell you that's what I put when I said compliance. Is there any merit or truth to these allegations? And obviously, we have nothing. So what I can tell you is people will say what they will say. You just have to keep your focus on doing good work and doing good deeds, and you'll be fine in this court.
Like in the social media aspect of it, I haven't put anything barking back at them. I refuse to go back and forth with them.
Oh, no,
They
you
even
have to
said,
ignore
let's
that.
go do this on TikTok. And I'm like, come on.
You have to ignore all of that
Yes, ma'am.
and just stay true to yourself and continue doing what you're doing.
Yes, ma'am.
While we're here, Judge, it appears that she's been compliant and I guess she has the majority, if not all of her conditions done.
The only thing I have left is MTR. I'm still in it.
The more recognition.
Or MRT, I'm sorry.
MRT?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
I'm still in it.
So if you're, I know where you're going, counsel.
Yes,
But you'll need to confer with the state, but I will tell you, I don't consider early termination unless everything is completed, and then I will consider it.
okay, well, you'll hustle to
Yeah.
get that done.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
And then make sure you confer with the state to see if they have any objections for that. How are we on community service hours? Did you do something in lieu of the community
I'm
service
gonna
hours?
pay in lieu.
Okay,
I think probation had mentioned something about the community service hours, ma'am.
Judge, I have to check on your docket sheet to see if you're gonna give her any type of credit for completing her parenting class.
oh, no, I do give credit for completion of parenting classes. I always
I
think,
did parenting, anger management. And then this MRT.
all right, I ordered 200 hours of community service for parenting classes. I'll give her 100 hours deduction for completing the parenting classes. And then with regards to her going out to search for missing persons,
Yes, ma'am.
if she was not financially paid for that, if hours are presented to me, I'll consider giving her some credit for that.
I don't receive any payment at all from the
All right.
nonprofit.
Okay.
I do it out of the kindness of my heart. The families don't have to pay for me to go look for their missing loved one. I fundraise.
All right. And your attorney will know how to get proof for that to
Okay.
probation.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Because they just said on the news, there's another young boy who's missing. I don't know if he's been found yet.
That's another thing. They contacted me about that, but I was telling my attorney because of the previous hearing that we had and you said not to work with minors.
Oh, no, I mean, when I say work with minors, that means you cannot babysit. You
Correct.
cannot get a job in the daycare. If you're out searching for people, I think it's best to have as many people searching for people who are missing as possible.
Okay. I just
So-
wanted to clarify that. My probation officer said the same thing. That's another thing they're spreading wide over the internet. Oh, she's
No.
not supposed to be around minors, blah, blah,
No,
blah,
no,
blah,
no.
blah.
When I say people are not allowed around minors, that means you're not babysitting, you're not a daycare worker, you're not allowed to enter any profession that involves minors. For example, when I tell people you're not to be a home healthcare provider, you're not to be a home healthcare provider.
Understood?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right. Good job. Continue what you're doing.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Vashawn, explain that because that's not going to happen. Okay. Jalexis Brown. All right. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I know you probably had to rush down.
Yeah.
Okay. So why were you late? What happened?
My fault. Well, our fault.
Well, no, because I mean, they sent out a card in the mail.
Well, that's what I asked her if she has had a change of address since the offense date. She said no, but I didn't, honestly, Judge, and neither did Derek. So I have no idea what happened.
All right. So you need to check and make sure they have your correct
We're
address.
going
You
to.
understand?
Yes.
All right. So where are we on this case?
So a different investigator had requested CPS
Okay.
and they're no longer with us on this division. So I've already followed up with the investigator we currently have, and they've already affirmed back to me that they're on it.
All right. So is Child Protective Services still in your life?
No,
Okay.
Judge, it was an investigation only and closed out,
Okay.
like within a month, I think.
So CPS records, did they require you to do anything?
They just wanted to tour the house and all that, see if I've run water, food in the fridge, everything like that.
So they didn't require you to do parenting classes of anything of that nature?
No, they didn't see anything fit after that.
All right. So what we'll do then, I don't know what her criminal history is. I don't know if this is a PTD issue or what. So that'll be something for
That's
you all
not,
to negotiate with.
Hopefully, yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you recall this in 30 days? All right, we'll be back on June 11th and state if it is, just was an investigation, they closed it out. One of the CPS workers on the other side should probably be able to look that up, and it should be a short.
In terms of
Report.
in terms of a short report respect to history or with
Well,
respect to.
let me ask you this, is this the first time You've been involved in CPS?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so it should be short and there shouldn't be any history but this.
Yeah, that makes sense, Judge.
All right, sure, no problem. All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused, and you need to check in the back to make sure that your address is correct.
Thank you.
We will do
You're
that.
welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, and could I have the file on Nicholas Estrada, please? Oh, just the file.
No.
He's not in custody, correct? Nicholas Estrada. All right, is he on a commercial bond?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right, on that one, it's gonna be a judge's warrant. And April Davila. Could I see the file on April Davila? And can you check to see if that's a PR bond? And Deputy Laura, could you make sure, and Deputy Mejia, that she's not in custody? It's April Davila. Because I see she has a nightman case as well. Oh, she's in jail? All right, so let's recall it for next week. What date? All right. And would you let her attorney know? Let me see what we have remaining. We have Warrington. Robinson's done. Oh, and can I see the file on Maisha Cyphers? And can you check to see if she is on in custody? Hello. What are you looking for?
My laptop. Judge. Yeah, so I was here this morning and Judge ran hell across the way, but.
Do you see it on the desk? Does anybody see a black laptop?
It was like right by where.
You may want to check with the prosecutors because maybe they picked it up for safekeeping or something.
Oh, maybe. Okay, he just went down. Okay.
So is she on bond or in custody?
She told me to bring her back Tuesday.
Okay. All right, if you'll let John Young know. All right, could I have that file back, please? Now I'm talking about,
I just wanted to be-
yes,
All my badges. I've been very good. That is on the-
She found a bond, it's a, commercial box.
all right, thank you.
Okay, let me know.
Well, you have one, yeah, I don't have.
No, let me know when you get CPS.
Oh, absolutely,
Yeah.
yeah. I already-
And then I'll do the particular, whatever.
All right, that's gonna be a
It
B.
already happened, don't you?
No, we were involved. They don't give us records until the case is closed.
Oh,
down.
sure.
And because I didn't know you were gonna be needing them here, I didn't. know things, But I can. And if you've already requested them, I'm not going to.
Yes, I already have.
Okay.
So,
I just know some of them, we have to get them.
Mhm.
So if I need to do.
why don't you judge it? I can just do it on my own.
Okay.
Just-
Yeah, sometimes.
Sure,
I drafted it and then. Okay, okay, thanks, Zach.
of course.
Pablo Rodriguez.
Oh, let's see.
I do, it's on the board. I do not know who it was. Stacy and Sam.
Okay, sure.
Huge stacked. I heard it, the jury said 60. Yes, he ran concurrent a bunch of them and then stacked the others. Yeah, but I do not know what the time was. 144. 144, it just happened yesterday. Sexual assault, but I think it was a child. I also think so, but I really don't, I can't. confirm. Wow, man. Oh. Yeah.
That's what I wrote.
Yes.
I have some actually not done that. Dismissals, not just intake dismissals.
Oh, look at intake, making things happen.
Thank
You're welcome. Thank you.
I also did not hear you.
you. You saw me, I was looking at you in your eye.
Just now when you came in.
Yeah.
Yeah, to,
Judge should probably-
Who's the prosecutor on Daring Doe's?
Darren Doe's is Miss Jackson.
Ah, okay.
Seventeen times in a row once. Hey, where you at? I genuinely. 17. Oh, nothing more. Yeah. I was in the stream for that one. This was years ago. This was like years ago. I think. That's fair. I do. I hope. Where to your camera? The bright light. I'm right on the lead.
Yes.
Daniel mentioned to Zach, I don't know if he mentioned to you that Zach is gonna cover for Daniel.
Oh, yes, I'm just waiting for, oh, I don't have the file yet. See, people think that I'm just up here, just lost in thought.
Pablo Rodriguez was thumbprinted, I believe he was sworn in. Pablo Rodriguez, the work was all done.
Oh, sorry.
That's just sitting up there, you know.
I'm just sitting up here twiddling my thumbs. Okay, in my defense,
Oh, here it is.
here's the defense. So I had all of these documents to sign, so I think this landed underneath the bottom. And so I didn't realize it. But you see how patient he is? He was just sitting there. He's like, I think he was gonna sit there till 10 o'clock.
I think that's right.
I'm glad he didn't. All right, Pablo Rodriguez. And he was so nice when he approached, even though, yeah, Judge, I just want to know. Yeah. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 9938, State of Texas versus Pablo Rodriguez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Zach Dunn for the state.
Defense?
The attorney record is Joanne de Hoyos. Joseph states in standing in. Mr. Rodriguez, would you let this judge know if you're okay with me going forward in place of Mr. Hoyos?
All right, do you have any objections to this attorney standing in? All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your clients?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Did you understand that if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea? If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll repeat it. Did you intend to give up all of those rights? And did you intend to enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility? Did you understand? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, there's a $700 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? And the only things that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states one and attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, and I had something to add to the record at the appropriate time regarding punishment.
All right, you may proceed.
Your Honor, we ask that you follow the plea bargain recommendation. Mr. Rodriguez, we had several settings before we had accepted this plea offer. He currently has a parole hold. We had explained to him that we're not his parole attorneys. We don't know what parole is going to do. He's hopeful that parole won't act on the parole case. He's asking for deferred adjudication. He wants a chance to follow it. He claimed that he had never had deferred before. He's willing to do classes, treatment, drug testing. He wants to succeed, but he doesn't want to get re-addicted. He's actually asking for treatment. We're hoping that he has a parole hearing soon. We're going to make a decision and hopefully he gets back out. Regarding the fine, since Joanne de Hoyos is court appointed and he's been locked up for over 53 days or more, and he has a hold, he won't get out. We're asking that the court could probate the fine. And I'm not certain what parole is going to do.
Okay. All right, and what is the parole case that he's on for? Does anyone know the case number? Did someone look that up in the system? Was that the case that you're on parole for, was that a case out of Bear County?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And I just need that case number.
I can just pull up the system. You should find it here.
What's your SID number?
846249.
Did y'all hear that?
We did, Judge. Absolutely. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Pull it up right now.
Twenty 16 CR 9173.
All right, thank you. All right, do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
I have a 15-year-old, a 14-year-old, and a 10-year-old.
10? All right. And so the person's home you were at, you realize she's your ex-wife and she doesn't want you.
Your Honor,
They are back together?
I mean, we're not together, but we're in good terms now.
my understanding is, if I may,
Sure, yes.
that she may have, she's not here to testify, but she may have done that for whatever personal grudge she had, but that she was willing to do an affidavit. But we had explained that the police got a call to respond to a house where he had a key at. He actually had a garage door opener.
That didn't work.
He was outside the residence. He wasn't inside the property.
Oh, no, I'm not proceeding on this as a burglary, but I'm trying to stress to you that the reason why we are here, this started out as your ex-wife calling in because you were trying to get in the house, a house which she says that you all have not been together for 6 months. I'm assuming that's the time that you were in prison. It wasn't? All right. So based upon what I've read in the police report, you should remain an X while you're on probation in this court, unless she's going to come here and says that she wants to rekindle your relationship. Otherwise, I'm going to put a no contact in here. And if you're released from custody and you're on probation in this court, you're not going to be allowed to have contact with her. You understand? All right. I'm going to order 2 years deferred adjudication, 120 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. If he completes that, then the court will deem the community service hours satisfied. There's going to be a TAP evaluation in custody. Follow all recommendations. This is going to run concurrent with 2016 CR 9173. If they revoke you on parole, then your attorney will come back to let us know they revoked you on parole. Then you will have a decision to make whether or not you want to go serve more time and then come out and still be on probation. You understand?
Sure.
There's to be no contact with the location at Medina Base Road. And is your ex Tony?
Oh.
And there's to be no contact with Tony, and that's Toni. L is the middle initial, Morato. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. How far did you go in school?
Graduate,
Okay. What are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
the forklift operator,
Okay.
forklift operator.
Okay. We'll do a gang evaluation. And that will be in custody. UA hotline upon release. And there will be 90 sober meetings and 90 days upon release. And field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. And then at probation's discretion. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Tell me the name, Tony L. Is it Mulatto?
Yes. Oh, my Louisiana pronunciation is baffling people, I know. All right. It's Morado. Morado? Is that how you pronounce that?
Morado.
D-O.
Morado. It's like purple in Spanish.
Oh, well, I cannot roll my R's. I'm working on that though.
We're just rolling with things, Judge.
Hey, I'm just getting past the the double L's. So y'all have to work with me. Oh, and then regular reporting by Zoom or in person. All right, is there anything else you need from the court? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, so we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Maybe parole is going to revoke you. I don't know. If parole does revoke you, then your attorney will come back to us and let us know that you've been revoked. And then there may be other decisions that your attorney will talk to you about. You understand? But in this court, in order to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, you need to let probation know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to me, okay? And here's the other thing, as a health note, what is this up here?
It's a lipoma.
Are you
Fat
gonna
tissue.
Are you gonna talk to somebody? Or are you gonna wait till you're on Dr. Pimple Popper where it's this big and you've named it?
Waiting to get out to remove it. I
Okay,
can get it surgically removed.
okay. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for your patience.
Of course.
I had been given some very like, difficult cases, clients particularly because of patients. The
Uh-huh.
judge hand selected me because I'm patient,
See, that is so great.
but I would, I'm very busy. I don't need any more cases.
All right, are you ready? Mr. Basil, are you ready on your case?
I'm ready. I don't have to stay here.
Okay, do we know what's, you want to talk with Zach to see what your agreement was or what's happening? Because otherwise we'll wait.
He said he ran down to do a real quick bond hearing, but he told me a
Yeah,
few
but
minutes
it's-
ago. What's your thing?
Okay,
What's your thing? It's PSI. Oh, yeah. Well, we're waiting on the new evaluations. Got all the evaluations.
yes.
I think they were silent on the number.
We're silent, no problem. I can stand up there.
Make sure you can see.
Is it to
Yeah,
do?
I got, mine's showing silent. Hey, you're silent, please. That's what I did.
Oh,
That's fine.
Crisis averted.
Oh.
County for once.
Oh, see, you didn't miss that.
I ish had it somehow.
Oh,
I had gone down there, did very good.
What's your plan, sir?
3 seconds.
Anthony
And got
Warrington.
reset, and I was like, well, I had to be here or 3 seconds.
Warrington.
So I kept looking here and there. Thank goodness. Thank you so much.
oh, you're right.
Whew.
Yeah, Sean, technically says.
Yeah, we're not sure what that is.
You want to do it himself, but he doesn't mind me.
That's
doing
fine.
it.
I'm happy to do it. 6 your GDC or 8 silent.
Cool. Absolutely.
Maria, if you need to step out and answer that, you can.
No, it's fine. I'm why I did that.
You sure? If you need to, it's fine, because they're not quite ready yet. Sure.
Let's double check it.
Oh, is that right?
Possession of-
All the same day, November 7th. Oh, so it could, I guess. Hey, Judge, small
Yes.
question for you. Margie and I were looking it up and she had provided a case number for the parole initially.
Mhm.
I guess
again, Margie had found this nugget, but I guess there were 3 cases where the sentencing is happened on the same day. Would you like the other 2 case numbers? I'm not sure how like the logistics
Sure.
of the parole. Okay, I'll read those 2.
State of January.
This robbery.
The one that I read off was the July 2016.
Okay.
All right.
All right, I'll give you all 3 of them.
Okay.
The first one, Judge, is 2016 CR
Mhm.
4916, and then the
Okay.
letter B.
Okay.
The next one, Judge, is 2016 CR 9173.
Okay.
And I believe you have the last one, Judge, and it was 2016 CR 9172.
All right.
Awesome.
Could I see the file again, please, on that last case? Rodriguez. Thank you.
I texted Daniel, he said he didn't have the number. I apologize. He was I asked Daniel, I'm like, hey man, do you want me to take this plea thing on the silent? He goes, I don't remember it. So I apologize. I don't, okay. Did not be able to make much progress. That's right. What you tried? I did try. You tried. You seem to be guys. Yeah. Question. How did Mr. ask about
Not today. It's hot. Somebody if it's not yet here.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
No, I believe it might be best.
It's probably just that.
Okay, sure. No problem.
No. It's not it's supposed to get 120 with the humidity.
One second. With my surname. my surname.
Wash your hands, it still smells.
You meant you're Ferguson. You said I'm done. You're Ferguson. Right, I'm done. No, that's my surname. I promise. Check my criminal history.
Too hard.
No, I
Too
know.
hard. When you have to explain it 3 times, it didn't.
No,
land.
yeah, it's okay.
It's tough crowd. It's tough crowd. I'm not letting it go. That's all I wanted on.
It's swirling above, trying to land.
Mr. Wilkins.
I like to call him Escobar. I think it's a very cool last name, but I'm trying to vary it. I don't want to exclusively call him Escobar.
No, you said Daniel, Mr. Wilkins. How come you didn't say Hank?
Well, now he's been promoted, so he's too big for me, so I can't address him as Hank. He's asked me to only refer to him as Mr. Wilkins.
Oh my God.
Well,
I'm gonna tell him you said that.
Do not tell him I said that though. Do not tell him. That may be a total lie, but I refuse to.
when he comes down, everybody needs to start saying Mr. Wilkins. Yeah.
Okay, Judge, I'll take that.
All right.
Yes, no. There's anything else? I just checked on that one. For Daniel, so we have to take care of it going to.
Okay.
I think we're in good shape.
Everything else is.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. All right.
Well, no, wait, are we done?
Yeah.
Second.
Daniel, the second chair.
Jason's the first.
Jason first.
Jason's the only one.
Jason's number 1. Hank thinks he's number 1. No, also don't tell him I said that.
It's on YouTube. It is on YouTube.
I hope he's not one. I hope Hank is a very busy man right
I'm
now.
gonna tell him he should go. Oh, what's that chat message? Just take a peek. Hank's like, I heard you.
I hear you, Sam. How dare you? All of my bad jokes aside, that was true, what I said the other day about Hank was the first person to welcome me into the office.
That is so
Yeah, that
awesome.
was real. So
It's like the circle of life.
yeah, it was pretty cool. When I found out we were in the same court, I was like, that's pretty cool. That's very special. That's cool. He's very good. Michael, no, he's my bully. He's my current bully.
He's not a bully.
Yes.
He's not a bully.
I'm a victim of that cycle of violence.
He just likes to grab and he was like staring him down. Back down.
He does.
Yeah, my husband like, well, he had the same shoes as Michael.
What is that?
Oh, can you, could you mute us?